So this is the furthest south in Amsterdam I've ever been. I've never stayed further south than the museum quarter. We're going to stay at the Diamond Capsule Hotel. So scoundrels may say that I'm far too old to be sleeping in a capsule hotel, but I'll take you through it. We'll have a look at the room. I would warn you, it's murderously far from the city centre. I've just walked for about an hour and a half south. So yeah, I'll see you when we get to the room. Right, so all checked in. We're in room 2C6. So this way. I've not gone in before and done a check, so when I set this thing up, so this will be kind of unfiltered. Okay, so C. That's a good start. So 2C10, 2C1, 2C2, 2C3, 2C4, 2C5, quite view of the river, 2C6 I'm assuming around here. Yes. And here we go. An Amsterdam Capsule Hotel. But this will be a quick room tour. That's it. Although the aircon is on, which is good. Got a bathroom, have a sink, and have a shower with body and hair wash. Bed, nice and low. I actually booked one without a window, but they've given me a window anyway, and a work desk. So yeah, if you're only sleeping here, I'd say it's perfectly good. So we'll take a look at the view from the window. Yeah, so we're surrounded by water. We're on the second floor. It's a glorious day today in Amsterdam. And yeah, I mean, I do like this place. It's small, it's comfortable. I had the best night's sleep I've had for ages last night. You get everything you need. There's a fridge outside. You can have breakfast here. It's either €5 or €10. €10 gets you scrambled egg, croissant, sausage, ham, a roll, cheese, yogurt, juice, coffee, and €5 gets you most of that except for the sausage and the scrambled eggs for the most part. And yeah, it's a really nice place.